Plants are not always the easiest things to understand, and can easily be overwatered or forgotten about. So in this video, I'll show you how I went from an idea all the way up to a working version of my plant monitoring project. I started things off with a 2D sketch. The next step was to open Fusion 360 and make the 3D model. Now that the design is finished, it's time to 3D print it. For this project, you will need a capacitive moisture sensor, a Wemos D1 Mini, an LED, some wires, and a 330 ohm resistor. With the 3D printing done, it's time to solder everything together. A little bit of hot glue should be enough to hold the parts in place. You should now have something like this. Now it's time to make the code for this project. This was actually the easiest part thanks to the help of ESP Home, which you can easily add to your Home Assistant dashboard, which makes coding super easy. All of the code, 3D models, and a pre-made case can be found in the description down below. Once you have added the code, just hit save and install it to your device. For some reason, uploading the code wirelessly wasn't working for me, so I had to manually load it onto the board. Either way should work fine though. After uploading the code through ESP Home, just go to your dashboard and add it as a normal device. Now that the code was finished, it was time for me to test the sensor. After waiting a couple of minutes, the value decreased, meaning that the sensor successfully detected the added moisture. I also added an LED to the side of the device to let me know if the plant needs watering. This can easily be set up through some simple Home Assistant automations. And with that, this project is finally complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and decided to give this project a try. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when I post a new video.